Today I'm going to be showing you the features of our ultimate picnic cooler on wheels for 4 people. The bag, as you see, comes on top of a set of wheels and it's easy for moving around. I'll show you this in a moment. We'll start with what's included in the bag. The front section opens to show a setup for 4 people, zippered closed. And open here, and inside here you'll find 4 glasses with 4 napkins, melamine plates, flatware for 4 people, a cutting board, a cheese knife, a corkscrew, and salt and pepper shakers. A very impressive setup for 4 people to go on a picnic. This all zips up closed, like so. Inside the bag, it's a divided cooler. There's a section here which is a pass-through. So you open this and you can take your wine or your drinks out through the lid without unzipping the entire lid. I'll show you the inside now. You unzip the lid like so. Put this handle down and now you can pull this up here. Now inside here you'll see space for drinks and space for food. Very well insulated, leak proof, food safe, puncture resistant lining. Once we're all loaded up, we zip up. You can pick our bag up this way, put it on the ground. Bring it round here. When it's down here, we now pull our wheels up once we're taken out of our trunk of our car, and we can wheel this around any parking lot, across grass, etc. And that's how the cooler moves. I will show you quickly the bottom of the cooler as well. So when we pick this up, base, like so. Here we have the large wheels at the back, and these are front supporting wheels. That's how the bottom of the bag looks. One of the features of this bag is that it can be removed from the wheels, and I'll show you that. So if you would rather not be using the wheels on a rocky terrain, you simply have to unclip these pieces here, undo the Velcro, and now this base, these wheels will come off. Back up here, like so. And now you have the wheels separate from the main piece, and these fold as well. So this folds up like so, and you have a set of wheels. Could be useless for other purposes really. And then the cooler can be carried over the shoulder like so.